I cannot believe like this is supposed to be the invisible. I scream, look at me. Hey, what's up guys, it's Devi Vishal Kumar and welcome back to my channel. It's actually Alan Fox dressed as Devi Vishal Kumar, dressed as an LA celebrity trying to hide from the paparazzi. Let's jump into the Never Have I Ever themed crafts. Rebecca made Devi wear two very similar dresses, and this craft was inspired by that. You're going to start off by taking a white paper and you're going to draw a line in the exact middle. You're going to draw a heart around the line. Half of it should be on one side and the other half would be on the other side. Once you are done, you're going to erase the line that falls inside of the heart, and then you're going to paint the heart a yellow. Once you are done fully painting the heart, you are going to go ahead and take your eraser and you're going to erase the outlines so that your heart looks cleaner. Once you are done erasing, you're going to paint one side of the paper red. Now mine needed a second coat in some places, so that's what I did. Then you're going to be taking a toothbrush. I already painted with it, that's why it's so dirty. You're going to give it a slight brown coat with another paintbrush and you're going to basically stamp brown and then black. Now we'll be making the second one. You're going to follow the same technique. With this one, I did not use a lead pencil. I simply went in with yellow paint and I later regretted it because I forgot I was supposed to draw a heart. But the mistakes were soon realized and the damages were covered. So I drew a heart and you're going to paint one side of the paper yellow and then you're going to paint the opposite side of the heart with yellow. Oh look, the clean brush. You're going to paint it a brown and then you are going to stamp the outside of the heart. Then go in with black and do some more stamping. Be very careful around the corners. You might have to tilt your brush sideways because you don't want to be getting into the heart. Stamp the inside of the heart as well and you are done. This is what the final product will look like. Now you can frame these or simply put them up on your wall. What I did was I took my wooden paint board or whatever this is called. I taped these onto that and then put them up.
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
For this next DIY, you're going to take a piece of paper and you are going to draw the I that was in the title, Never Have I Ever. So that one had only 4 lashes. I'm drawing 5, and then you're going to outline it with a black marker and then make it very bold. Once you are done, very carefully cut it out. Like I almost cut off the eyelashes every single time. Go ahead and fill up the extra white spaces with black, and then you are going to take a yellow yarn because in the title they have a very orangish yellowish color. So you're going to take a white yarn or whatever yarn you like and you're going to tape the eye with the yarn. And you can make as many of these as you want. I made 9. This next one was my favorite. You're going to start off with some cardboard. I just simply cut open a cereal box and you're going to cover it with some yellow paper. Tape the paper to the back of the board. Now my yellow paper was not yellow enough, so I went ahead and painted it a deeper yellow. Measure the length of your paper. Mine was approximately 11 inches. Then you're going to draw a box that is almost 1.5 inches wide. In case you were wondering, here is what inspired this DIY. Make sure your ends are curved, and I do recommend using a lead pencil if you're not good at freehand. Once you are done, draw a very circular triangle and then draw an exclamation mark in the middle of it and fill it up. I painted the outside of the triangle with black paint and then measured out how much space I need for another one of these. Then you're going to draw caution, write it, with a lead pencil because we're terrible at freehand. You're going to write down the entire word and then you're going to outline it with a pointer. Once you are done, erase the lead pencil marks and then go ahead and fill the outsides with black paint. Measure the amount of space you're going to need for the words you're going to write next. Draw a helping line along each mark because we can't write straight otherwise. Then we're going to go ahead and write theirs, and yes, I have not painted my cautions yet. The sun was going down, I did not have enough time, I had to record the entire video.
If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah.
And that, ladies and gents, is why we need to work with a lead pencil first. You're gonna write, "There's no crying in history class." Oh my god, it's so funny. Fill up "there's crying in history class" with black and "no" as well as the lines on the side with red. Then erase the lead pencil marks and you are done. I am currently making an art wall. If you're interested in that, I'm going to be leaving the link to it in the description box. I'm sorry if my voice is echoing, but this is the only silent room in my house right now. You're gonna start out with a paper of your choice and put it over a book because better handwriting. That's actually what I thought, but the frame was blocking my way, so there goes that. I'm writing one of the tweets that the actor of Ben Gross read during BuzzFeed's Thirst Tweets. It is "All boys are gross except for Ben Gross," and I went against my own rules and wrote just R except for A-R-E. Then I'm drawing some lines in A, and I'm going to fill one line with completely filling it up and the other with circles. So there is "All boys are gross except for Ben Gross." This is me attempting to make this a bit better, but it only got worse, so screw me. I have one of these frames that are like 4 frames together, so I wrote 4 dialogues. You can write as many as you want or as many frames as you have. And I'm just fixing this in. Chopping off the excess and you are done. The other 3 dialogues that I went for were "At least I can grow a mustache," "Normal teenagers end up in prison or worse working in Jersey Mike's," and "What do you think your Sheeta is, bro?" This DIY was inspired by something I saw on Davy's wall in her room, so here it goes. Cut off a piece of tape and then an even thinner stripe. Tape the yarn to your wall, making your way upwards, and then go sideways to your left, or you can even go to your right. It all depends on you. We're just making a heart. And please excuse my messy self. I look terrible. I'm so sorry. Snip off the excess and then go on and make some art. This is what I'm doing. It's pretty random, so I'm just gonna play some music for y'all and not gonna talk. Tape these under the heart and then imagine I put up my pictures inside the heart. The printer is broken down. There is nothing I can do about that.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you.
So that was it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a like. Also comment below other movies or TV shows that you love and you want to see some crafts or something from them. Also subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss out any other movies or whatever I'm going to be doing. Don't miss them out. They're gonna be amazing. I have 2 others coming. 2 movies. I have already done it. They're gonna be coming out soon. Stay tuned. And with that, I'm the only LA fox in this world, and today I'm dressed as Devi Vishal Kumar, dressed as an LA celebrity hiding from the paparazzi. And if you're interested in what I look like, what do you look like, Elnef? So this is the face of Elnef Fox. I feel like I have a big forehead, like whoa. Wow. I need to be looking presentable. I'm sweating. Like this. Oh. This actually looks better. Like this is like, don't look at me, but like if you do look at me, I look good. Baby, take notes, please. This? What the frig was this? What the frig was this? Yeah. I could go out like this. Anyway, bye, peace.